Takot yarn. Hi guys, for today's video, samahan niyo ko sa special advance screening ng pelikulang Outside by Netflix. This is the first ever zombie psychological thriller ng Netflix Philippines. So this is exciting! Onting outfit check muna tayo. Polo shirt from Boku Philippines, pants from Pen Shop. Uy, baka naman sponsor. Eme! This event was held at the Grand Hyatt Hotel sa BGC. At pagdating namin doon, we were offered delicious snacks and drinks para sa film showing. Nirentahan nila yung isang ballroom hall sa Grand Hyatt and transformed it into a cinema. Amazing! Sa stage naman, nilagyan nila ng mga props na related sa movie. Ang settings kasi ng pelikula ay sa isang ancestral home sa Negros Occidental, kaya makaluma na yung mga gamit. Bago mag-start yung film, pinakilala muna yung mga actors na gaganap. This is starring the amazing Sid Lucero, Beauty Gonzalez, Marco Masa, and Aiden Tyler. And syempre directed by the amazing Carlo Ledesma. Hi Direk, the Keneman! And this is us bago mag-start yung film. Ang saya-saya pa namin dito guys! At eto na nga ang pelikula. As a matatakotin na person, ang dami kong gulat dito guys. This is an amazing movie. Not your typical zombie movie. Ang daming twists and turns na very interesting. A slow burn movie pero pagdating sa gitna at sa dulo, napaka-intense na mga eksena. Kailangan yung panoorin to guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo. After ng film, nagulat kami dahil biglang tumaas yung wall sa kanan namin and smoke started to appear. Tapos may horror background music pa. Akala namin may mga zombie na lalabas. Yun pala, Netflix prepared a very special lunch buffet for everyone. Tingnan nyo naman ang bongga ng setup. You're amazing, Team Netflix. They serve very delicious Filipino food katulad nitong lechon na to. Sarap nito. May mga panghimagas din katulad nitong napakasarap na leche flan at marami pang iba. At pagkatapos ng masarap na lunch, nagkaroon ng question and answer portion with the cast and the director. Pinag-usapan kung paano nila ginawa yung pelikula, the story behind it, the struggles, and some cool trivias that made us appreciate more the film itself. Nakakatuwa yung ganitong mga discussions.
Guys, I hope everyone can support this Filipino film and let's share it to the world. Yes? Hopefully we can share it to the world. So that's all I can hope for. Thank you so much.
Alright, another.
After the event, nagpa-picture kami dito sa booth nila. Ito yung van na sinakyan ng cast doon sa pelikula habang hinahabol sila ng zombies. Uy, ang cute ko dito. Nakapagpa-picture din kami kay Sir Sid Lucero. Galing na aktor nito. At bago umuwi, binigyan pa kami ng regalo ni Netflix. Thank you so much, Netflix. Yun lang guys. Until next time.